Now we talking, huh? You can smell through the bag. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, you can't bite that. I'll hold your treats for her. I'll hold it. I'll hold it for her. Don't worry, I'll keep it. I'll keep it safe. Let me hold it for her. I'll keep it safe. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's right there. Ow! Oh! You want that, huh? You want that bad, huh? Guess what? It's outside. You're gonna have to go outside for that. We're gonna have to walk for that, Joe. Alright, let's go get it, big dog. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some. Oh, now you're angry, huh? Give me some. Yo, look at this dude's face. Can I not touch your treats, bro? Alright, deal. Yo! That tastes good, huh? Been here for 10 seconds, bro. Look. Oh my God, he wants to get the fuck out of here. Cooperate for the one time. Woo! There we go. Uh-oh. Swear to God, if I turn around and he's sitting. Oh. Please. What do I do with this guy, bro? Jojo, you made me pull this out. It's fucking working. Jojo, just follow the breadcrumbs. You're doing good. Oh, we forgot the pace. This guy's falling for the bait. This is the quickest we've ever moved. We're gonna get there in no time like this. As long as I got the treats on me, we're gonna keep following. He's coming. Look at that. Damn. They said you couldn't do it. Look at you now, bro. We're actually making progress. I can't believe it. Keep coming. Slowly but surely. Oh, 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 oh. Careful now. I see the water. We're almost there, big dog. Joe, I know about all these boulders, though. Careful now, Joe. Ew, Joe. Hold on. I ain't never seen you move like this before. Holy shit. We did it. Joe, what they gonna say now? What you doing? Joe, I don't even think you know how to swim, bro. Oh, no. I swear to God, that's Dookie. Oh my God. What the? You gonna start rolling down the hill, bro. Look in your nose, bro. We had a slow start, but we made it. What the fuck? What'd you do that for? You just made your seat. That a little too comfy, though. See, Joe? When you actually walk, come to places like this, Joe. We did it. Bro, as soon as you walk in the crib, it's the first thing you see. Oh my God. Even our fucking lighting in the crib. Where my birthday cards at? You spoiled as hell, bro. Look what we got here. Treat lay. Ooh. Yeah, Joe, you about to be the flyest dog on the block. Hey, uh-oh, he smell it. Poke a little hole. Damn! Uh-oh. Here we go. If you keep it on for 10 minutes, I'll let you eat all the treats. It's not that serious. It's not that serious. It's not that serious. Shabling! Look at you! You don't know what to do, huh? Does it around your neck? Oh shit! Yo! We gotta go walk around the neighborhood now and show this off. We got one off the neck. Let's see. Oh, we gotta be quicker than that, big fella. No one has seen your tricks yet. Ready? Down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. That's because you ain't got no room, right? Over. See? Just like that, we give up? Are we for real? Oh, look at you. You ready for the beach, Jojo? Look at you. Happy dog? Oh shit. Feel like you in Hawaii? Nah. There it goes. Damn, bro, I brought that shit all the way back for you. This is how you treat it? Look at your arm. Fucking that shit up. Yo! Can I have it back? Oh! It's all you, big dog. Damn. You that lazy, Jiro? Jiro, ain't nothing in the fridge, bro. That's what you sound like, bro. Hey, fun to listen to, right? It gets annoying, right? That good, you twitching? Jojo, what's up? What the hell, yo? 13 years young, you still got it in you. Big dog, yep. 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 Don't fall backwards now. Oh shit, I feel big bar coming. Oh nah, he's tight. Oh nah. Oh shit. No, go look out the window, bro. There's more interesting shit outside. Whoa! You too old to be playing these games again. Why you posted up like this, bro? Yeah, I literally just walked downstairs. You barking at me already? What the fuck? What you want, fool? What you want? What you want, fool? What you want, fool? Damn! You get the speed? What you want, fool? What you want, fool? What you want, fool? Yeah. 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 See, this for all them people that said Jojo can't move. He does your ass. Damn! No ramp. It's like that. Yeah, don't bark at me, bro. What you trying to get into? Bark you one more time. Bark at me one more time. I bet. Don't do that shit. Don't do that shit, Joe. What you gonna do now? Huh? You feel hella sorry now? Yeah. Give me some. Okay. Don't bark at me, alright? That's what. Again? Again? Oh. Oh. Bless you, big dog. Bro, Jojo, don't be doing this now. I got all night, Jojo. We could be home in the AC right now if you just walk around that sign. Let me give you a smell. Smell? What the? What? What's up with your ear? Come on. Yo! Come on, let's go. Let's go. This one. I know you want the treat bad, Jojo. Come on. Okay. Okay. Damn. Damn. Come on. Look at this movement. Uh-oh. There it is. Come on, you're so close. You're so close. You're so close. Okay. Come on. You're so close. Don't give up. Don't give up. Dude, I could do this all day. You're gonna get tired first. Oh, you should not have taken it there. Are you serious? Onto the couch? My lunch? Can I have it back? keep it if you give me paw. Paw? Whoa! What the fuck? Angel, why you sound like that? What the fuck? Yo, who dog eat these? This ain't mine. What the? Joe, why you sound like that, bro? Got my lunch tray back? Please? Alright, bro, you got it. Golly. Whoa, what the fuck? You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. Alright, babe. Alright, all you. Alright, for real this time. Here. Alright, one more. Quicker than that. One more time. One more time. Quicker than that. One more time. Oh, that one was good, Joe. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, for real this time. Okay, I'll stop playing games. Here you go. Good catch.